Hi guys, today we're going to tour one of my favorite little antique stores in Fivizzano. It opened, I think it was about a year ago. Great addition to the square. So let's go in and meet Claudio. Come on. Hi Claudio, good morning. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm born and raised in Holland. My father was like Italian. He went as a guest worker to Holland many years ago.
Okay.
Met my mom, started a family, and lived his whole life in Holland. So I grew up like a Dutch guy.
So how did you wind up in antiques?
I like to collect things like a little bit different. I don't have one style, so I can do pictures next to paintings, next to vases.
You definitely have your own unique style. I've always loved this space in Fivizzano. It's such a cool space. But now it is chocked full of finds, which I like better. You know, I like a little flea market vibe. So why don't we go through and why don't you tell us about some of the more interesting pieces?
Okay, so this room is everything to do with Hotel Giardinetto we bought. They started in 1882, 4 generations.
Wow.
Yeah. Clients, they leave little notes. You can see them everywhere. People come in and sometimes they stay here for 1 hour to read the little notes.
Oh,
then
really?
It brings back memories, people who passed away or friends. The furniture is from the hotel. Everything is from the hotel.
So will this go back into the hotel?
Yes, this goes back in the hotel. Part of the restaurant is going to be like decorated how it was before. And this is a priest. I bought it somewhere, Ligianenadi. And I stopped the car and I went inside and it was this little old man, like really well dressed. It was like crazy. It was like he had bikes, paintings, he had like so much stuff. And I saw the priest. He explained me a little bit that it's from the area of Modena.
We love Modena.
Yeah, it's beautiful. But I'm still looking for more information.
You styled up a religious vignette with a few African figures just thrown in there. I like it. I like your style. You're a little bit off, so am I. So this keeps going back. But there's so many paintings, so many things to look for. There's a step down here so our camera crew doesn't fall down the stairs. These are cool. Love these. These are new.
They're not old at all, but I like them as a set.
We like old, new, high, low. I mean, that's the way to do it. New, old, high, low.
But I sell it and then I bring something new in it and then it's like rotation, like, I sometimes I travel 2 days, I buy nothing, and then I go wherever I go, 1 hour drive, and you
find a treasure trove.
Yes,
I know. I mean, that's the cool thing.
Yes.
This is beautiful, very Japanese, but this is from Holland now. Yeah, I can tell.
For the tea.
Yeah, I mean, it's either Japanese or from Holland.
Yeah.
Those are the two. You know, the clean, really cool, simple aesthetic, and then we have Jesus. And this hot green bowl together. So I love it. And what about the bowls behind you, the restaurant bowls?
These are from the Giardinetto.
Oh, these are from the hotel?
Yes, this one is yours now.
I got a gift from the hotel. Very exciting. Well, I will definitely put this in our kitchen. We'll put it in the kitchen lounge. I already know where it's going. Thank you. I love it. A gift. This is the back room. I always like a back room because there's some good stuff. What was this?
Laundry. They were like
a laundry.
They were living here, like partly. This is the kitchen.
Oh, how cool! And when you have linens now. Ruh-roh. You know I love a linen. Oh God. You're killing me, Claudio. So he has really great lighting, all different types. I mean, modern, traditional. So Claudio, you're going to come in handy because I think we might be buying a property and renovating it. So in town.
In Fivizzano.
Yeah, you can just walk over with your stuff. Just across the piazza.
The top floor.
One with the little store in the front?
Yes.
I'm thinking about making the store in the front the kitchen. I think it'd be very romantic. With lit candles, these are so cute.
These are old grappa bottles.
They're really cute.
40 years old.
I think you and I should just buy up the entire town. What do you think?
I don't have that money.
Oh, well, we could do it slowly. We'll get investors.
I have to sell and then I buy.
Anybody that wants to invest, just right below. Claudio and I are going to revamp Fivizzano, right?
There are many possibilities here.
Unbelievable possibilities here.
But we need also the commune. They have to understand that, okay, if you want to move on, you have to do it together.
That is the way I like to work together.
Sometimes there are people from Africa, America, like England, Germany, Holland, from everywhere. So, and they're all positive about this area.
Yeah. It's a beautiful area.
Because it is like nearby, what I said, the
Listen,
seaside.
Claudio, I have been promoting this area for many years. So I am trying to raise the consciousness here. I am with you. We are together. We are a team.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Claudio.
A pleasure.
It's been so much fun. Thank you for my bowl. If you want to move to Fivizzano, write us a note below, right? We're into it. All right, thanks you guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Peace.